Okay, today we see some more problems depending on ratio and proportion. Here A is to B is 3 is to 4, B is to C equal to 2 is to 5, C is to D equal to 5 is to 7. Then find A is to B is to C is to D. In the previous class I said to find A is to B is to C is to D, we write A, B, C, D first. What is A is to B? 3 is to 4. What is B is to C? 2 is to 5. B is to C is 2 is to 5. 2 is to 5. What is C is to D? 5 is to 7. So here some empty space is there. So we write the beside number 4 here. Here also 4. Here also empty space D is there. In B is to C ratio, we fill this with the beside number 5. Here also we fill this gap with the beside number 2. Here also we fill A and B with the beside number 5. So 2 5s. So now we take the product, multiplication of all. So they are asking A is to B is to C is to D. Now the product of everyone. 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Here 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 4 5s are 20, 20 5s are 100. Here 4 5s are 20, 27s are 140. Here 30, 40, 100, 140 we got. So we do some simplification. So we cancel everything with 10. Then we get this equal to 10 3s are, 10 4s are, 10 10s are, 10 14s are. So 3 is to 4 is to 10 is to 14 is the ratio. No more common factors in all these things. So A is to B is to C is to D is 3 is to 4 is to 10 is to 14 is the answer. So any cancellations or any more simplification is there, we go for the simplification after doing the multiplication here. So this is the way of doing. A is to B is to C is to D. Then coming to one more example. If A is to B equal to C is to X are in proportion, this ratio is in proportion, then X equal to. Whenever they are saying one ratio equal to the other and they are in proportion means the meaning is product of the means equal to product of the extremes. What is the meaning? Product of the means, medians, mean terms equal to product of the extremes. That means AX, product of extremes equal to product of means. Then what is X? X equal to BC by A. This is the formula also. You can write this as what is the fourth proportion of the given ratio means this is the formula, fourth proportion. If A is to B equal to C is to D, what is the fourth proportion means D equal to BC by A also we can write. Anytime they are asking what is the fourth proportion of the given proportion means D equal to BC by A also we can write. So this is the X value. Now one more example. The first three terms of a proportion are 2, 4 and 8. Then find the fourth term. Just now I said no, find the fourth term. So what is the first one? A is 2, B is 4, C is 8. What is the fourth proportion? D is equal to BC by A. This is the formula. What is B? 4 into 8 by A. 2 2s are. So this is 16. What is the fourth proportion? That is 16. Now coming to if A is to B equal to 3 is to 4, B is to C equal to 7 is to 9, C is to D equal to 5 is to 7, then find A is to D. They did not ask A is to B is to C is to D. They are asking only A is to D. For this also we do the problem like the above one. Here also first we write A is to, B is to, C is to D. What is A is to B? 3 is to 4. What is B is to C? 7 is to 9. What is C is to D? 5 is to 7. So here the gap we fill with the beside number 4. Here the gap we fill with the beside number 9. Here we fill this gap we fill with the beside number 7. Here we fill the two gaps with the beside number 5. Okay. Now we take the product. See. So you need not to take A, B, C, D. They are asking A is to D. Then you can take only A and D. So 3 is to 7. 3 into 7 into 5. This is the product. Here D, 4 into 9 into 7. So here some cancellations are there. 3 times it is going in 9. So any more cancellations? 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So here 5 is there. Here what is 5? Here 4 3s are 12. Now A is to D is 5 is to 12. That means A is to D is 5 is to 12. This is the answer. No need to find B and C because they are asking only A is to D. Next, what is the inverse ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1? In the previous class I said to find the inverse ratio, the first time you want to find out the inverse ratio means just you forget about the first term and take the product of remaining 2. 2 1s are 2. So that is 2 is to. Next, the middle term inverse ratio means forget about the middle one and take the product of other 2. 3 1s are 3. This is 3. This is a trick. To find out the inverse ratio. Simple trick. And third term is just forget about the third term, take the product of those 2. That is 3 2s are 6. So this is the inverse ratio of 3 is to 2 is to 1 is 2 is to 3 is to 6. This is a trick. So coming to the next problem, you see. Find the compound ratio of 2 is to 3, 5 is to 4 and 7 is to 6. I said in the previous class, compound ratio means product of the first terms. What are the first term? 2, 5 and 7. Product of the first terms divided by product of the second terms. 3 into 4 into 6. Any cancellations are there? 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Any more cancellations? No. So 7 5s are 35 divided by 3 2s are 6, 6 6s are 36. So compound ratio is 35 is to 36. So compound ratio is 35 is to 36. Now one more bit we see. If A is to B equal to 1 is to 2, B is to C equal to 3 is to 4, C is to D equal to 5 is to 6, then A is to B is to C is to D equal to how much? Here some choice answers are given. This is the question from your competitive examinations. They given A is to B, B is to C, C is to D. By seeing the options also, we can say the answer. So no need to do the whole problem. Here A is to B is 1 is to 2. So 1 is to ratio is anyway here. 15 is to 30 ratio is 1 is to 2. B is to C is 3 is to 4. So 30 is to 40 ratio is 3 is to 4. Okay. C is to D is 5 is to 6. 40 and 48 ratio, if you simplify, 8 5s are 8 6s are. So 5 is to 6. This is the answer. This is the answer. Here you see second option. 48 is to 30 means it's not 1 is to 2. Wrong. Coming to the third option. 30 is to 40. First ratio is 1 is to 2. Here 3 is to 4. Wrong. Fourth. Wrong. Fifth. First option is 15 is to 30. Means 1 is to 2. Okay. Coming to B is to C. This is 3 is to 4. But here this is 30. This is 48. 6 table. With 6 table, 6 5s are, 6 8s are. Means 5 is to 8. Here B is to C option is not fulfilling the ratio here. Because of that, this is also wrong. So this is the answer. But without doing the whole problem, by seeing the options also, sometimes you can say, so 1 is to 2 means here 1 is to 2. 3 is to 4 means here 3 is to 4. 5 is to 6 means here 5 is to 6. So 1 is the answer. This is the trick. So coming to, if A is to B equal to 3 is to 4, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, and C is to D equal to 5 is to 6, then A is to D equal to how much? Here you see, A is to B is 3 is to 4. So the ratio ends with 4. In the next ratio, it starts with 4. So here it ends with 5, and in the next ratio, it starts with 5. So here it is ending, here it is starting. Here it is ending, here it is starting. This is this ratio, this type of ratio is we use chain rule. Such type of ratios are given means we use chain rule. What is that chain rule means? So here options are 2 is to 3, 4 is to 3, 1 is to 2, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 5. Okay, what is the chain rule? Here A by B. A is to B means what? A by B. Chain rule into B by C into C by D. This is the chain rule. Chain rule. What is the chain rule? Means A by B into B by C into C by D. Then we cancel B and B, C and C. What is that? Is A by D. What is A by D? So that is 3 by 6. Means 1 by 2. Means 1 is to 2. So what is the ratio of A is to D? 1 is to 2. This is the option. This is the option. So this is chain rule. First ratio ends with some number and the next row starts with the same number. Such type of ratios, if we see, we use chain rule. So this is one more trick. Here one trick, this is another trick. So one more example. See, if A is to B equal to 7 is to 5 and C is to D equal to 3A is to 2B, then find AC is to BD. Find AC is to BD. Means AC is to A is to B means A by B equal to 7 by 5. C is to D means C by D equal to 3A by 2B. Okay. So AC is to BD means AC by BD equal to, what is A? A is 7 directly. What is B? B is 5 into, what is C? C is 3A. And what is D? D is 2B. This is 21A by 10b. Again 21 into what is a? This is a by b. A by b means 7 by 5. 7 by 10 into 5. So this is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14 by 50. 147 by 50. So therefore, what is AC is to BD? AC is to BD value is 147 is to 50. 147 is to 50. Then next problem we see. If 4A equal to 5B and 3B equal to 7C, then A is to C equal to how much? So 4A equal to 5B means we are writing 4A equal to 5B in this form. A by B equal to 5 by 4. Here B by C equal to 7 by 3 by cross multiplication. Okay. Now A by B means what? A is to B is 5 is to 4 and B is to C equal to 7 is to 3. Now A is to C means what? Again the same method, right? A is to B is to C. A is to B is 5 is to 4. B is to C is 7 is to 3. The gap we are writing filling with the previous number. Here we are filling with the previous, the beside number 7. Now we take the product. So they are asking only A is to C. No need to go for B. So 5 sevens are product of this. 5 sevens are 35. Here 4 threes are 12. So what is A is to C? A is to C is 35. A is to C equal to 35 is to 12. What is the answer? 35 is to 12. So next coming to next bit we'll see. Next is if A is to 5 equal to B is to 7 which equal to C is to 8, then A plus B plus C by A equal to how much? So here A is to 5 means what? A by 5 equal to B by 7 equal to C by 8. All the three are equal. This fraction, this fraction, this fraction, all are equal. So let it be, it is some value k. Let it be some value k. So then what A is? A equal to 5 k. A by 5 is k means A equal to 5k. B by 7 equal to k means B equal to 7k. And C equal to 8k. Now we substitute the values there. A plus B plus C by A. A is 5k plus 7k plus 8k by 5k. That equal to, take k as common factor. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 by 5k. K gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 fours are. What is the value? 4. What is the value? 4. So directly also you can substitute. No need to take k, some equal number k. Directly you can take A is to 5 equal to B is to 7 equal to C is to 8 means A is 5, B is 7, C is 8. Directly also you can take and substitute the values. You will get the answer 4. What is 4? This is 4. Next, if x by y equal to 4 by 5, find x square plus y square by x square minus y square. So x by y is 4 by 5 means x is 4, y is 5. That value I am substituting. 4 square plus 5 square by 4 square minus 5 square. So 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25 by here 16 minus 25. 16 minus 25. This is what 4 by 5. Here this is 25, 35, 41 by, here you get minus value because this is a lesser number, this is the bigger number. If you subtract, you will get the bigger number sign here. So 25 minus 16, that is minus 9. So your value is minus 41 by 9. Minus 41 by 9. Now if x is to y equal to 8 is to 9, then 5x minus 4y is to 3x plus 2y equal to how much? Here also x is to y is 8 is to 9 means x by y equal to 8 by 9 means x is 8, y is 9. So these values we are substituting here. So 5x minus 4y is to means divided by 3x plus 2y, which equal to 5 into 8 minus 4 into 9 by 3 into 8 plus 2 into 9, which equal to 40 minus 36 by 24 plus 18. 24 plus 18. So here 4 by the value here is, so 12, this is 42. 12, 42 means simplification 2 2s are 2 21s are. So value is 2 by 21. What is the value? 2 by 21 means 2 is to 21. 2 is to 21. Now if x by 3y equal to 2 by 5, then x minus y by x plus y plus 10 by 11 equal to how much? Means x by 3y means then x by y equal to, the 3 is going to the numerator part by doing cross multiplication. 3 2s are 6. 6 by 5. X by y will become 6 by 5. Means x equal to 6, y equal to 5. Now x minus y, 6 minus 5 by 6 plus 5 plus 10 by 11 equal to 1 by 11 plus 10 by 11. Now LCM is 11. So 1 plus 10, because 11 one time it's going 1 into 1. Here one time it's going 1 into 10 10. So 11 by 11, the value is 1. The value is 1 here. Okay. So now one more problem. If A is to B equal to 2 is to 3 and B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, find A square is to B square is to BC. Means first you find out A is to B is to C, then we take the product. First A is to B is to C will find out. A is to B is 2 is to 3 and B is to C is 4 is to 5. Here gap is there, the gap we fill with the beside number 3. The gap here, the gap we fill with the beside number 4. Now we take the product. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Any common factors are there? No. In this product, no. So 8 is to 12 is to 15 is the ratio. 8 is to 12 is to 15 is the ratio. Now with this ratio, this is A is to B is to C. This is A is to B is to C. With the same thing, we A square we want means here A what is A? 2 into 8 B square. 3 into 12. BC. What is BC? This is only C. B. 3 is to 15. Now 16 is to 12 threes are 36 is to 15 threes are 45. So this is A square is to B square is to BC. One more time I am explaining. See. Here A is to B is given, B is to C also given. You should find out A square is to B square equals to BC. For this solving of the problem, first we find out what is A is to B is to C. So we do the problem, then we get the ratio A is to B is to C. Here that is 8 is to 12 is to 15. Now here we got A is to B is to C, but here A square is there. For that, what is A? 2. So 2 into 8. Then you get A square. Here 3 into 12. Here 3 into 15. So BC. Then 16 is to 36 is to 45. Okay. So this is the answer. Now, if A is to B equal to 2 is to 1, what is A cube minus B cube is to A cube plus B cube. A is to B means A by B. That is 2 by 1. Means A is to B is 1. So A cube minus B cube is to A cube plus B cube means A cube minus B cube by A cube plus B cube. So what is A? 2 cube minus 1 cube. 1 cube by 2 cube plus 1 cube. 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 1. So this is 7 by 9. Means 7 is to 9. So answer is 7 is to 9. Here, one more bit. If A equal to 2 by 5 B and B equal to 3 by 7 C, find A is to B is to C. Means first we convert A equal to by 5B as A by B equal to 2 by 5. By doing the cross multiplication you get. Here B by C equal to 3 by 7. So what is A by B? A is to B equal to 2 is to 5. This is B is to C equal to 3 is to 7. Now A, B, C. A is to B is 2 is to 5. B is to C is 3 is to 7. Here we fill the gap with the beside number 5. Here fill the gap with the beside number 3. Now we take the product. 2 3s are 6. 5 3s are 15. 5 7s are 35. Okay. So now what is the ratio? A is to B is to C equal to 6 is to 15 is to 35. So these are the answers. Okay. In this way we do the ratios and proportions problems. So tomorrow we see some more problems. Okay.